Hi guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can update your CapCut PC. So here I've already opened the CapCut PC, and to find if there is any updates on the CapCut PC and update it, you can just open the CapCut and click on the gear icon to go to settings, and then click on your version of CapCut. As you can see, now I'm using the 2.20 CapCut. So just click on version here. Okay, and then click on check for updates to know if the apps need some updates. Okay, you can see now that my apps need to update into 2.3.2. So to update it, just click on install now and wait for the version for the CapCut to finish its update. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. So don't forget to subscribe, click on a thanks, like, and comment if you have any questions. Bye.